In today's current property market, many would term it as a seller's market, and many of our clients have asked us, is it an opportune time for us as sellers to sell their existing units? While on the flip side, buyers are wondering, is this current climate advantageous for them to buy a property? Hi everybody, this is Adriel here from Propedia. In the latest property news, we see for the whole of 2021, prices surged 10.6%, which is the highest annual growth recorded since 2010. The overall price growth was driven by the non-landed segment, which jumped 5.4% in the fourth quarter of 2021. We see private resale prices and new launches all achieving higher benchmark prices. Prices of landed property also climbed 3.7% in the fourth quarter in 2021. Overall, landed property prices increased 13.1% in 2021, also giving them their best year since 2010. In the public housing sector, HDB resale prices rose by a total of 12.5% on average in 2021, experiencing its highest annual growth since 2010. So why is this important to you? Consider this scenario. If you are considering upgrading to a landed property that's worth $3 million from your current condo unit that's valued at $1 million, in today's market, you'll be able to fetch a higher price for your condo at $1.1 million, $100,000 more, which is a 10% increase in market value. But before you think that you are getting a good price for your current condo, the key point here is that you will also be paying 13% higher for the landed property that you are intending to upgrade to. In this instance, instead of paying $3 million for the landed property, you will now have to pay an additional $390,000 more at $3.39 million after a 13% increase. By getting $100,000 more for your selling, you are also paying $390,000 more when you purchase your next property, resulting in a difference of $290,000. However, this time around, if you are looking to cash out from your current property to right size to a smaller one, the situation might be more favorable to you as a home seller. Let's look at this scenario. If your current place is a $2 million condo and you're right sizing to a $800,000 condo, you'll be selling your condo for an additional $200,000 and purchasing your new condo at $80,000 more, giving you a net gain of $120,000. However, with the above examples, does that mean we should hold off our upgrading plans? The key is to be able to determine whether the unit we are upgrading to is safe and still have the potential for growth. Most importantly, to do our homework to ensure we don't overpay. Let's look at this example in May Springs. May Springs is located within Bukit Panjang, a 24-year-old development with 636 units. We'll take a look at these two transactions. Both are of the same size, 1292 square feet, and have the same layout. However, we can see that this unit in Stack 7 has been sold at $1.245 million in December 2021, whereas just a month earlier, this other unit in Stack 12 has been sold at $1.08 million. That's a huge difference of almost $170,000 for these two similar types of units. Both were sold in the bull market of 2021 but experienced a huge difference in the selling prices. As a matter of fact, for the Stack 12 unit, we can see it's even sold at a similar price level as 2019. In summary, for your property plans, you have to take a holistic view and be able to sell and purchase at a sweet spot which will be beneficial to you as a homeowner and home buyer. Here's another project called Livia, located in Pasir Ris, an 11-year-old condo with a total of 724 units. We can see the price movement of Livia from day one, where prices appreciated from 2008 to 2013, followed by a dip and thereafter stagnating prices all the way to 2020. Here's when we see prices start to appreciate again and climb back up to $1,000 per square foot to $1,001 per square foot in 2021, similar to the price levels of the peak of 2013. As a homeowner, by looking at this price trend, you can determine if you should be holding on to your unit or you should be looking to sell it. It took 7 years from 2013 for the prices to climb back up again to its current peak. The key question here is, how long will this peak last, and will it follow the same previous property cycle whereby prices started to dip and stagnate in the next couple of years before eventually going into a peak again? For home buyers, will you still be able to benefit or profit if you're purchasing in a seller's market? Let's take a look at this project called Park Colonial, a 99-year leasehold condo in Woodleigh with 805 units. It was launched for sale back in 2018 before the cooling measures kicked in on the 6th of July 2018 to cool the then heated property market. Looking at these owners who bought in the bull market right before the cooling measures, they have already sold their unit in 3 years even before obtaining TOP and are making profits of $200,000 and above. As with another development located in Sims Avenue, Park Esta, a 99-year leasehold condo that has 1,399 units that has yet to obtain TOP, a handful of owners there bought their units in 2018 have already realized their profits. We can see a 581 square feet profited $246,000 and an 840 square feet profited as high as $312,000. Property market is cyclical, and whether it's in an upswing or downswing is very much in correspondence with establishing your holding power that can ensure you ride out each cycle. That said, we're always able to find opportunities in each cycle, whether be it in the resale market or the new launch sectors. Most importantly, to ensure that we have good margins for appreciation in all the properties we select and ensure we are positioned in at the lowest risk. We hope that you have found this video insightful. Do like, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!